Hey everyone, have you ever created something awesome in Excalidraw and want to share it with others? Whether you're collaborating or just showing off your masterpiece, Excalidraw makes sharing super easy. Let me walk you through it. First of all, you can share live collaboration link. By clicking the three bars at the bottom left, you can go ahead and click live collaboration and go ahead and start session, and you're going to be able to copy the generated link and share it with your team or friends inside Excalidraw. Another option, you can export the design as an image and share it with other people. Click the three bars at the bottom left again and export image, and then go ahead and download it as a PNG, right? And as you can see right here, I've downloaded it. I could go ahead and click download, click the image, right? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to be able to click the image and then click the sharing at the bottom left and share it across many different platforms, okay? And basically, that's it, all right? Whether it's a live collaboration, read-only links, or image exports, sharing your Excalidraw design is simple and flexible. Ready to try it out? Let me know who you're sharing with and what you're working on. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.